Hello guys, this is Ian and today I am going to guide you on how to use social media tools to schedule posts on your social media accounts. So if you manage your own business or you are hired as a social media manager, this tutorial can help you manage your content, especially if you are managing not just one but three or more social media accounts. So today we are going to use Sendible. Right, Sendible is an efficient tool to publish your social media updates, especially if you are offline. Okay, if you need to be somewhere, but kailangan mong mag-post ng content online, you can use this tool. Right. There are thousands of social media tools available online. Example nito are Hootsuite, Buffer, Smart B, and Smart Q, to name a few. Merong scheduling tools na para sa isang social media platform na. And meron ding para sa lahat, like Sendible, what I mentioned. Kaya gusto ko ang Sendible kasi open siya sa lahat ng social media platforms. And may free trial siya. Some social media scheduling tools need mo talagang bayaran ka. But, some offers free trial tulad ng Sendible. So, to set up your account, okay, set up my account here. Go to sendible.com. I'm going to put my password and sign in. Itong interface niya to sign in. So, that's it. Again, you go to the upper right corner and click sign in if meron ka lang account. So, if wala pa, you can try free trial out. So, since I already have an account, I'm gonna click sign in. So I'm just gonna enter my registered email address and password. So that's what we did. Okay. So as you can see, I'm still on my free trial. Okay. Let's see there, and this is my dashboard. So first, i-connect nyo muna lahat ng social media accounts nyo. Check both my profiles or add profiles there. You can connect 8, Facebook, there, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google My Business, YouTube, and Pinterest. So in my case here, I connected 4. Let's see. I have here Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay. Now, to create a post, parang nag-create ka lang din ng post sa Facebook. Okay. You compose. Okay. You choose what social media account, pwedeng isa, dalawa, or more. So let's say Facebook, okay, or Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay. Okay. We can also attach images and videos. Just click this one here. Okay, and then click Browse Files. So in my case here, I have a graphic design already, so I'll just attach it here. Click Open. There, let's just wait. Okay, so and then we can create a uh, okay, so here I have already made some posting. So I'll just copy this and paste it and put it here. Okay, there. So what I did is I already created a post, copy and paste it. That's very simple. That's it. And then we can schedule kung kailan ko siya gustong i-post. Let's say I wanted this to be posted on the 19th. Right? I'll just kunwari I have like I have a date or some business or some clients to meet. I can schedule, and also I can also choose time kung kailan siya ipopost. Let's say yung usually yung mga ibang or nasa social media, they like wake up around 7:30 a.m. or kunwari 6 a.m. and syempre pupunta sila ng work. So in my case, para makita siya yung post ko nung mga nasa work or maybe nasa bahay or what those people anong ginagawa nila, I can say or I can choose, let's say 10 a.m. Siyempre at 10 a.m. it's their break minsan, right? Kasi personally 10 a.m. that's the time for me to to check my social media platforms, so for me that works for me. Okay, and then just click schedule that just click schedule, but for now let's just not let's just not post it and just discard it. Okay, also the same thing sa Instagram or sa Twitter. Okay, so since sa Twitter, it's the same thing then. You can attach files. Okay, and then meron siya kasing sa Twitter merong parang limitation sa words. Okay, so let's say let's attach files there. So yung parang ipopost ko or I'll just copy paste it, bawasan ko na lang din yan. Kasi nga nililimit tayo ni Twitter. Okay, so kunwari ito yung post ko sa for my Facebook. So since na limitado lang si Twitter, so bawasan natin ng konti. I'll just choose the most important details. So we'll see, let's say there we go. Hanggang dyan na tayo. So copy, same thing, paste, and schedule. Okay, i-try natin na sobra yung ating yung sobra yung words. Okay, let's see what will Twitter do. Alright. See? There guys. If you can see there, and may negative 898. So it means you cannot post that. Okay, kailangan mong bawasan. Okay, so let's go ahead and make bawas. Bawasan natin. So marami pa din. So continue, bawasan natin. Ito. So since na Oh, limited pa din. Okay, bawas. Let's remove this up until here. Okay. So, let's check there. So, allowed na tayong mag-post ni Twitter. Yan lang yung ikinaiba ni Twitter. They have limited words lang. So, same thing. We can make a schedule. Let's say 16 or 17. Then, kunwari, so since it's Twitter, let's say I choose after lunch. Let's do after lunch. Let's say 12:30. 12:30. Or, yeah, 12:30. There you go. So, you can save to draft or copy to library. And then schedule. But for the meantime, let's just wait muna. Oh, okay. It went through. So, same thing then sa LinkedIn and sa Instagram. So, there. Let's check. So, I hope you guys learned something here sa tutorial na to. So, for in the future, magagamit nyo to. Like me, I'm a newbie, but it's just like, and also busy din, busy sa business. So, magagamit siya talaga. It's really a big help for me. Since, like I mentioned, I can post on on the platforms that I manage, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, nang sabay-sabay. And it's very easy. And it's very convenient for me as well. Okay? So, I think we're all good. And I hope you learned something from me. And again, this is Ian. And I am your social media manager. And I'm here to surprise you. Thank you.